We will learn 100 short English sentences that you can use every day. These sentences are very simple. If you learn small sentences daily, your English will improve quickly. Do not try to learn difficult grammar first. Start with simple sentences. Listen carefully, repeat after me, practice daily. Confidence will come automatically. Let's start. I wake up early. నేను త్వరగా లేస్తాను. I wake up early. I wake up at 6 a.m. నేను ఉదయం 6 గంటలకు లేస్తాను. I wake up at 6 a.m. I turn off my alarm. నేను అలారం ఆపుతాను. I turn off my alarm.